we loud. Baseline cutting through the crowd. Eyes low, bodies close. Every secret starts to show. Smoke hanging in the light. Shadows dancing on the wall. Every step we synchronize like we planned it all. No names, no explanation, just the sound and vibration. If the night keeps pulling me, I won't fight the gravity. Echoes after 2 a.m. calling me back again. Every move you make tonight stays inside my head. Echoes after 2 a.m. We don't need to pretend. If the sun forgets to rise, I'll still be where we stand. I'll still be where we stand. Love drum talking to my chest. Every hit feels like a test. Your smile slow, dangerous, making silence intimate. Time dissolves in broken beats. Sweat and sound become one. If tomorrow has too much, I'll say tonight already won. Hold the echo, let it fade. Let the memory misbehave. No direction, no release. Just repeat the feeling, please. Echoes after 2 a.m. calling me back again. Every move you make tonight stays inside my head. Echoes after 2 a.m. We don't need to pretend. If the sun forgets to rise, still be where we stand. Still be where we stand. Still be where we stand. 2 a.m. Yeah. No rush. Slow and body talking before we speak. Every move got me weak. Baseline telling me the truth. Tonight I'm lost in you. Lights low, sweat on skin. Let the night pull us in. No clock, no reason why. Just your ways passing by. No pressure, no control. Let the rhythm take my soul. If the world outside gets loud, I get quiet in this crowd. Slow and therapy, healing every part of me. When you move that way so slow, I forget what I should know. Slow and therapy, only thing I really need. If the night don't let us go, I'm okay with moving slow.
Love drum knocking in my chest. Every step feels dangerous. Your smile says don't behave, so I follow how you sway.
Heat rising, drinks have gone. DJ playing our song. If tomorrow asks my name, I'll pretend we never came. Take it deep, but take it low. Feel the sound inside your bones. No directions, no relief. Just repeat the therapy. Slow and therapy, healing every part of me. When you move that way so slow, I forget what I should know. Slow and therapy, only thing I really need. If the night don't let us go, I'm okay with moving slow.
stars. We've been shining even in the dark. They tried silence, we replied with sound. Every scar turned power now. From the village to the silver screen, this rhythm bigger than a dream. When the world says stay alive, we move forward out of time. If you feel it in your chest, that's the spirit never ends. Rise of the Afro spirit. Get it drum, don't fear it. When the roots to the sky we lift. Rise of the Afro spirit. Rise of the Afro spirit. Rise of the Afro spirit. Every step is historic. When the past and future meet. Rise of the Afro spirit. Oh, ancestors call. Oh, we stand tall. Oh, feel the flame. Africa, remember the name. Oh, ancestors call. Oh, we stand tall. Oh, feel the flame. Africa, remember the name. Gold in the skin, fire in the toe. Every beat say you're not alone. They hear the sound but don't know why. This music make the soul reply. No crown but we still reign. Turn the pain into champagne. From underground to world premiere. This moment been waiting, yeah. No permission, no delay. This our time, this our day. If the ground start to shake, that's the future we await. Rise of the Afro spirit. Turn it loud, let them hear it. From the ashes we uplift. Rise of the Afro spirit. Rise of the Afro spirit. Global fire, cinematic. When the drum decide the script. Rise of the Afro spirit. Tribal drums layering. Every choir style pets. Every choir style pets. Every choir style. Low brass hits. Tribal drums. L'Africa. Africa never left the room. Africa never left the room. Africa never left the room. Yeah. Africa never left the room. Africa never left the room. Africa never left the room. Africa. 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 Just grow, just breathe. Feel like depth, eyes closed, feel the call. Standing tall before the fall. Oh, rise of the Afro spirit. Turn it loud, let them hear it. From the ashes we uplift. Rise of the Afro spirit. Yeah, rise of the Afro spirit. Global fire, cinematic. When the drum decide the script. Rise of the Afro spirit. Yeah, the rise. Every choir style. Every choir style. Africa never. Every choir style. Africa never left the room. Yeah. Rise of the Afro spirit.
Yeah, still spinning. More time. Last train calling from the street. Both my feet stayed on the beat. Every step I try to leave, the rhythm pulls back on me. Your reflection in the grass, like the night won't let us pass. We've been dancing past the point where we're supposed to stop. No more words inside our mouth, only breath counting us out. If the end is closing in, let it find us smoother still. We dance past goodbye, past the moment we should've known. when the lights came out too soon. We were already gone. We danced past goodbye. No direction left to try. If the night forgets our names, at least the rhythm won't lie. Look, drums off, the heart beats clear. Every sound pulls you near. Sway, drying on your skin like this island settling. And DJ fade into a loop. Crowd is all just me and you. If this track don't ever end, I won't ask it, I won't end. Let the city wake and breathe. We still lost inside the beat. Even daylight feels delayed when the night refuses change. Do you dance past goodbye? Till the speakers couldn't try. Even when the music broke, we kept moving in our minds. We dance past goodbye. No regrets left to deny. If this memory's all we get, it's enough to last a life. If tomorrow pulled us far, I'll keep where we are. No ending, no release, just a loop inside the beat. If tomorrow pulls us far, I'll keep where we are. No ending, no release, just a loop inside the beat. Rolling low and low. Still dancing, still dancing. Let's go by, let's go by. Still dancing, let's go by. Still dancing, let's go by. So I'm leaning on the seat, painting gold on you and me. City slowing down his breath, like you know just coming next. Barefoot on the warm concrete, every laugh sounding concrete, till the bassline start to roll. Touching body, touching soul. No rush, don't fear. Just a shadow drawing near. If this life begins to fade, let it fade a gentle way. Golden hour on my skin. Feel the night begin again. Every color pulling in, every moment sinking in. Golden hour on my skin. Let the students pull us in. If the sun don't wanna stay, we'll keep blowing anyway. Palm trees dancing with the sound. Lock drums soft but holding ground. Your perfume in the air, mixed with salt and summer hair. Every smile moving slow, like the rhythm knows us both. If tomorrow wants to plan, tonight don't give a damn. No promises, no lies, just reflections in your eyes. If this feeling slips away, I'll replay it every day. Golden hour on my skin, let the magic pull me in. Every beat a quiet wind, every breath a memory in. Golden hour on my skin. If the dark is closing in, we'll be shining from within till the morning settles in. Feels good, still feels real. Not a dream, not pretend. Just the way the daylight ends. Golden hour on my skin. If we never meet again, this rhythm will remember. Every touch, every amber.
Easy now, let it breathe. Clock on the wall moving nervous, but we ain't in no race. Your shadow dancing slowly on the sweat upon your face. Every sound feels wider, every light feels low, like the night is holding us and don't wanna let us go. No need to hurry, love, we got nothing to prove. Every drum is saying stay right where you move. Don't let the night rush us, let the rhythm decide. Every beat between our bodies feels like truth, not pride. Don't let the night rush us, we got time in our hands. When your heartbeat finds the base, I start to understand. Stay, stay, right here, slow. Your laughter slipping softly through the smoke and sound. Every doubt I brought inside is nowhere to be found. Your eyes telling stories I don't need to ask. Every step you take with me feels dangerously less than tomorrow's calling loud. Let it wait outside. We're still learning how to listen to the night inside. Don't let the night rush us till the walls forget the time. Your hands heavy on my chest, like you know my name. Every love I never trusted feels a little ashamed. I was running from the quiet till you pulled me near. Now the silence feels like safety when I feel you here. If the sunrise finds us quiet, with the lights already on, I will still feel this rhythm. Long after you are gone, let the world wake without us. Let the city start its noise. I will keep this slow devotion in the echoes of your voice. Don't let the night rush us, till the drums begin to fade. Every step we took together is a promise we have made. Don't let the night rush us. If this moment has to end, I was lost before this rhythm. Now I know just where I stand. Slow, stay.
Turn it up. From Africa to the world. City never sleep when the bass come alive. Neon lights reflecting your eye. From the block to the penthouse view, same rhythm make me move with you, dear. DJ spin that African song, heartbeat match when the drum go bang. Every corner of the globe tonight, we connected by the vibe. No passport, no borderline, just your body moving with mine. If you feel it, don't fight it now, let the rhythm show you how. Worldwide Afrobeat energy, feel the fire running through your body. From LA nights to London streets, we don't stop when the rhythm speaks. Worldwide Afrobeat energy, hands up high, feel the frequency. One sound, one love, one destiny. Worldwide Afrobeat energy, yeah. Summer breeze with the ocean sound. Slow wine, let your waist go round. Gold chain, shining skin tone glow. Every move say you already know. No rush, we got all night long. Every step turn into a song. From rooftop parties to beachside flame. Same beat, different name. No stress, leave it all behind. This moment frozen in time. If the night don't wanna end, let it spin again and again. Yeah. Worldwide Afrobeat energy, yeah. Feel the fire running through your body, yeah. From LA nights to London streets, we don't stop when the rhythm speaks, yeah. Worldwide Afrobeat energy, yeah. Hands up high, feel the frequency. One sound, one love, one destiny. Worldwide Afrobeat energy, yeah. Different stories, same flame. When the drum talk, we listen close. This is the language we chose. From the motherland to the main stage. Oh, so mixed with a new age. Every heartbeat feel aligned. Africa living in
rhythm slow. Let the groove breathe, let it flow. Just you, me, and the beat. Barefoot dancing in the street, yeah. Worldwide, Afrobeat energy. Turn it louder, let the whole world see. No fear, no hate, just unity. Worldwide, Afrobeat energy. Worldwide, Afrobeat energy. From the club straight to the embassy. Every nation moving equally. Worldwide, Afrobeat energy, yeah. Alright, we still Sandra by the wheel, worldwide, Afrobeat energy, yeah. Late night, turn the light low. Midnight driving through the city glow. Radio low, let the feeling grow. Your silhouette on the flashing lights. One slow wine change the whole night. Bassline talking, drums so clean. Every move looking cinematic scene. Every move looking cinematic scene. From Lagos City to London rain. Same beats, higher, different lane. Know what your body speak. Every touch got a frequency. If tomorrow don't exist tonight, let's live everything we like. Late night Afro groove, don't stop now. Slow motion when you break it down. Feel that rhythm in your spine. Late night Afro groove, one more time. Late night Afro groove, hold me close. Let the DJ keep it low and slow. Till the sunrise, touch the room. Late night Afro groove. Late night Afro groove. Late night Afro groove. Late night Afro groove. Oh, feel the motion. Oh, deep like the ocean. Oh, no emotion wasted. Oh, we don't fake it. Sweat on skin, summer heat. Barefoot dancing on concrete. Golden brown on the neon signs. This vibe should be a crime. No crowd, just you and me. Lost inside the melody. Every beat say stay right here. Every drum remove the fear. No rush, we got all night. Let the groove control the time. If the world outside too loud, we turn the volume down. Late night Afro groove, don't stop now. Slow motion when you break it down. Feel that rhythm in your spine. Late night Afro groove, one more time. Late night Afro groove, hold me close. Let the DJ keep it low and slow. Till the sunrise, touch the room. Late night Afro groove. Deep Afrobeat Peru. 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 Different cities, same desire. Different faces, same fire. When the drums say move your ways, everybody understand that phrase. No language, no explanation. Just vibration, communication. If you feel it, you belong. This rhythm is your home. Heartbeat matching the kick drum. Breathing deep, moving slow. Lights fade, bodies close. Only the groove control. Late night Afro groove, turn it loud.